Hi, I'm Jodie, and today we're going to talk about how to change the batteries in one of our Fischer thermostats. This is our original style of Fischer thermostat and is actually the cause for quite a few calls into our technical support team with customers like you wondering exactly how to change the batteries. In order to change the batteries on the Fischer thermostat, the first thing you're going to need is two AAA batteries. We recommend either Energizer or Duracell. Your batteries should be changed in your thermostat at least once every 2 years. This ensures the thermostat keeps connection to the heater and will continue to control the heater as needed. So, the first step to change the batteries is to gain access to the batteries in the thermostat. Some of our customers unfortunately make the mistake of accessing the batteries through removing the screws at the back. In fact, the only way and best way to change the batteries is to remove the casing from the front of the thermostat to expose the batteries. So the most important step when changing the batteries in the thermostat is to of course make sure the batteries are the right way round. It wouldn't be the first time a customer has called our technical support team to report that their screen on their thermostat is blank after changing the batteries. Of course, one of my friendly team quickly diagnoses that the batteries are the wrong way round. So, the battery on the left needs to go with the positive end inserted upwards. That is the end with the protruding bump at the top of the battery. Place it in and click. The battery on the right goes the alternative way. So that means that the positive end, which is the end with the bump, faces downwards. If we place it in and click, we will then see the batteries begin to do their job and the thermostat come to life. You have now successfully changed the batteries in your thermostat. The next step is to replace the front cover, clicking all four sides, and the thermostat is back together. You will need to reset the date and time on the thermostat and reprogram the thermostat to the heater. Those steps can be found in our FAQ book, or you can give us a call and our technical support team will happily talk you through those steps. For more information on any of our heating solutions, call us on 0800 103 2705 to request your free catalogue, or visit our website www.fischerwarmhome.co.uk.